In this quick video from One More Guru, I'll show you how to play GeoGuessr with your friends. First, you and your friends need to create accounts. Once everyone has an account, click on Play. GeoGuessr will look something like this, with options for multiplayer modes like duels, team duels, and battle royale. To play with friends, focus on the party section. Here you can invite your friends, join with a code, and play together. Clicking on Party will guide you through the process. Invite your friends, compete in the Ultimate Geography Challenge, play your favorite game modes, and even create custom games with thousands of maps and settings. To unlock parties, the host needs a pro subscription. Simply click on Unlock Parties and select a subscription type. Once the host has a pro subscription, they generate a code. Friends without pro can click Join Another Party, enter the code, and join the host's game. And that's how you play GeoGuessr with friends. Thanks for watching One More Guru. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.